again, another Animoji unboxing in my main desk as usual. Even though, yeah, it's not really usual because several previous mini unboxing video I tried to record it on the mini desk that was located on the place that I want to focus on personal productivity things. So yeah, this time is basically focus on the desk that I always use for doing my main job of tasks. Yeah, for some reason it was actually not that big either, especially when it compares to my first unboxing desk. Although the first unboxing desk is actually not really tidy either. The things that was existed on the point of view from that was recorded from the camera is actually 3D wide. So yeah, especially for the package that quite big like this, which is the $50 Thrustmaster TMX, which is pretty much like the D150 that I used to bought last year perhaps. But I only bought the steering wheel, and this time I tried to buy the base as well, which is $10 more expensive, but yeah, it's okay since there is actually some possibilities that this can still be worked. But I don't know, because the adapter for the Thrustmaster hub is actually much more expensive than the one that I basically tried to test. So I don't know whether it is actually worthy for me to buy another T150, especially there is one more version, which is the February edition, which in the perfect condition, which basically was supposed to be compatible with the TMX, but I don't know if, because it's definitely more expensive than $100. To be honest, it's been a while that I didn't spend money this big. So, but yeah, since it's pretty rare as well, so I decided to buy it for this $50. And yeah, since most of my steering wheels are already moved outside the city to the place that I usually try to put unnecessary things there, although some of the unnecessary things are tried to be taken back to be placed on the back of the vehicles, especially for a temporary time, or until I finally already tried to exchange it with the things that was available on my place, in the place that I want to focus on personal productivity things. So yeah, that's the reason why. And I don't know what else that I basically want to talk about. And I just don't know what have I talked about all this time as well. For some reason I just don't know what kind of things that I want to do in the future. Looking back to all things that I have done in the past, I basically try to do the same thing over and over again, which definitely make me have more things. But yeah, it's basically doesn't really matters because probably I didn't really have certain things that basically more worthy perhaps, because yeah, definitely in order to fulfill every type of the things that you can have is actually gonna be quite expensive. So that's the reason why if I basically try to waste some money that I don't really see the physical products. I decided to, yeah, kind of like buying the things to express the physical form, especially from the rarity of the things, because yeah, when it comes to the rare things, it's definitely gonna be very valuable to me, or I can consider it valuable, though the actual price, if I basically try to sell it back, is definitely not gonna be that big either, especially when I already had a lot of keyboard collection, including the one that was seen in this video, which is the last keyboard that I tried on, perhaps, I'm not sure. But yeah, basically still wanted to collect some more, but yeah, it's definitely not a good thing, because it's gonna be like another wormhole or loophole, and yeah, just waste of money for things that you never use. So yeah, I basically wanted to kind of like making things available to all the people, but it's definitely gonna be quite hard, so I think that's all.